Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my easy weeknight meal for green or verde chicken enchiladas. We're going to start off by seasoning your boneless, skinless chicken. Really simple, basic, some chili powder, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika. You can add cayenne if you want it to be spicier, fresh cracked pepper, salt, olive oil. Pop it in the oven until your chicken is cooked all the way through. While the chicken cooks, you can prepare some of your ingredients for the filling, which is a whole entire jar of roasted salsa verde, about a little over a cup of tricolor tomatoes, the red, orange, and yellow, those little ones. You can just chop them up, and then 1 can of diced green chilies. And when your chicken's done, just pop it out of the oven, grab 2 forks, and shred it up and set it to the side. And then for the filling, you'll also need some white rice. If you have leftovers, this is a great time to use it up. And create your filling, the delicious base for the enchiladas. So you'll mix together the chicken, rice, diced green chili, salsa verde, and shredded cheese. You just want to save a little bit of the salsa for the bottom of the pan and for the top of your enchiladas. So I use half in the filling, and then the other half you're just going to put on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. And you'll want to use soft flour tortillas. Grab a tortilla, place your filling right on top, and load it up. Don't be cheap. Delicious filling. Make sure we use all of it. Tuck and roll each enchilada. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure there's a good seal on the bottom so your filling doesn't fall out. Top your finished enchiladas with more salsa verde and sharp cheddar cheese. Then you can bake them in the oven until the cheese is melted. All the ingredients in the center are already cooked, so you really just want to heat this up a little bit and melt your cheese. And for the toppings, you can use those tricolor tomatoes, which you can also mix into the filling. Cilantro, jalapeno, more of the salsa. So just create a little bit of a layer with the salsa, and then your remaining toppings. You could do fresh guacamole. I'm just going to do some chunks of fresh avocado. And this is the finished product. It's such a beautiful dish and great to make for the summer. It would be good for a crowd because you can make a few batches right on a sheet pan and just pop it into the oven. It's delicious and really fresh and colorful. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you try it out, let me know what you think. Have a delicious day.